What would you think if I told you that a 20-centimeter piece of PVC, cut in just a few minutes, could help you control a cutting machine like a shop tool you paid good money for? Most of us already have a short PVC pipe lying around the garage. Today, you will see how cutting and shaping that simple piece can give you better control over your cutting machine, make your work steadier, and help you feel more confident every time you turn it on. Heat about 2 inches of one end of the PVC pipe until it becomes soft. Place it between two flat wooden boards and press it gently until it flattens evenly. Hold it in place for a moment and let it cool so the pipe keeps its new flat shape. Once the PVC cools down, take a file and smooth all the sharp edges on the flattened end. This step matters because rough edges can cut your hands later. After that, mark the center of the flat section and drill one clean hole straight through. Then move to the round end of the pipe. Drill another hole close to the edge, straight across. Take your time here. Clean holes help everything line up and move smoothly when the tool is working. Take two L-shaped metal brackets and place them on a wooden board. On each bracket, drill a slightly larger hole on the long upright side so a bolt can pass through easily later. Now stand both brackets upright on the board, one on each side, with the long sides facing up and parallel to each other. Let me know your location in the comments. What state are you in and what projects are you working on at home? Make sure the spacing between them matches the width of the PVC pipe. Once you are happy with the position, drill pilot holes through the base of each bracket and screw them firmly into the wooden board. Press on them with your hand to be sure they do not move. This wooden base with two solid brackets will act as a stable support for the PVC arm. Slide a long bolt through the hole at the round end of the PVC pipe. Guide that same bolt through the holes in both L brackets. Add a washer and tighten a nut, but do not lock it too tight. The pipe should move freely. Lift it up and lower it a few times to check the motion. It should feel smooth and controlled, not loose and not stiff. This PVC pipe now works like a simple swing arm. It gives you steady movement and keeps the tool supported while you work. Now bring the cutting machine over. Line up the mounting hole on the machine with the hole in the flattened end of the PVC pipe. Slide a bolt through both holes and tighten it with a nut. Make sure it is snug and stable. Lift the machine gently and check that it moves up and down smoothly with the PVC arm supporting the weight. Now you can see how a simple piece of PVC turned into a useful support that makes your cutting work safer and easier. The machine lifts and lowers smoothly, and your hands stay in control. This is the kind of small shop upgrade that saves money and makes daily work more comfortable. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more practical DIY ideas you can use at home, and share this with a friend who loves building things too.